guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm about to do some curry chicken, and I will be handing the camera over to my nieces so they can do their slime video, so stay tuned. Girls, y'all get me a bowl.
What you gonna do? What you gonna open it up?
Manicure. Pedicure for your feet, manicure for your nails. I remember I was trying to teach Josiah the difference between a male and a female, and she talking about, so what is an email?
That's a good joke. That's a good ass joke there.
I don't remember
That's a good joke.
She said it all the time. She was, I think she had to be about 5. She talking about, Auntie, what's a female? I said, that's a girl. So what's a male? That's a boy. Okay, so what's an email?
I like that. I like that.
So right now, guys, I'm putting some aluminum foil over this curry chicken.
Okay guys, so I did cornbread,
some yellow rice, and some lima beans and neck bones. And I will be uploading another in-depth cooking video, so don't worry.
Hey guys, it's slime time. My name is Amaya. My name is Shazai. And today we have a special guest, Kendall. So today we're going to be teaching y'all how to make slime. Step by step. So we have glue, some glue, and we have some Tide and shaving cream, and some more Tide and more glues. And we have markers and glitter. And some beads. So let's get started. Okay, as soon as you're done with the glue, you can pick shaving cream. So you shake it up. You can put how much you want in it. It depends how much glue you have. Just with glue and stuff, and then when your slime is so sticky, you can put shaving cream in it
because it makes it like have a good texture.
Yeah. Okay. After you do that, you can pick the glitter.
So I'm gonna put purple in mine because I got a purple spoon. She gonna put
And I'm
blue.
gonna put red because I got a red spoon. Okay.
It's stuff up here for now. So we're just gonna rip it off basically, and yeah. Or either we can use 2 batches that can match our colors too. Y'all should see it in real human life. This is so pretty.
Yes, it is so pretty, guys.
Yeah,
I can like try it with us and do it at the same time.
Look at y'all.
This Christmas slime.
That is so cute.
It's like y'all can do it at the same time. How
Look
we
at my
do
spoon,
ours.
y'all. And as you do it, I think as you do it and you mix your glitter, it makes it better. So then, like when you had mixed your slime and you ain't add no glitter, your glitter won't be everywhere. It will just already be in the bowl. The glitter will change the color as you mix it too. But mine just changed just a little purple.
This is how it's gonna look for right now. Cause I don't like that much beads.
This bead right there.
So
The bead right there. Bead right there.
see that?
Mine is so. See how mine gets over for
I'm gonna get some light blue in it too. Make it pretty.
Okay.
Now, after you pick whatever you want in it, you can add the tie. You can you're supposed to put a little bit at a time. If you put a lot at a time, you're gonna make it over activated. So now I'm gonna put some activator in it. You can use Tide, contact solution, and baking soda to.
Borax with water too, y'all.
You can use contact solution and baking soda together and it activates real good. But I like to use Tide because Tide activates real fast.
You can also use game, y'all. That's
So
what I used to
yeah,
use.
you can use that too, but we like to use Tide. Now you
I'm
see
just
how
trying to
this
get all
is.
the
You
extra
can
stuff so my bowl can be clean. Now it's just it's blue. See, mine is like already
might get
done.
it on table.
Mine is like already done, but it's like still kind of sticky, so I might just need a little bit. Like that.
Or if it's still sticky, you can put some shaving cream in it.
Want to be soft?
So y'all see that?
Ooh. We got markers. We got two kinds.
Got this kind. And we have this kind. This kind.
Ah! Y'all can see my slime. It's already turning into slime. But I think I might add some little bit more time because it's kind of like still sticky. And it's super crunchy, y'all. It's not that slime. This one is cut.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment
The little bell.
and make sure you comment down below what kind of color of your slime you like. And do you like it fluffy or sticky? Goodbye.
Bye.
Peace out.
Hey, that probably take her. At 13? You got the kids. At 13? The name. Wow, wow.